Once upon a time in the bustling town of Harmonyville, there lived a curious and adventurous young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her kindness and her love for exploring the enchanted forest that bordered the town. One sunny day, as she strolled through the woods, she discovered a magical talking tree named Oakley. Oakley had the ability to share wisdom from the past, present, and future. Intrigued, Lily asked Oakley to share a tale of morals that could guide her through life. Oakley, with a gentle rustle of leaves, began to weave a story.
In a village much like Harmonyville, there lived a group of animals who faced a common challenge. They found it difficult to work together and often argued over trivial matters. One day, a wise old owl named Oliver proposed a solution. He suggested that the animals undertake a journey to find the heart of harmony, a magical place rumored to bring unity and understanding.
Lily listened intently as Oakley continued.
The animals set out on their quest, facing various trials and challenges. Along the way, they encountered a mischievous fox named Felix. Felix was known for playing pranks and causing mischief, but he joined the group, eager to see what the heart of harmony held.
As the animals traversed the forest, they faced obstacles that required cooperation and teamwork. Lily's eyes widened with excitement as Oakley described how the animals, each with unique abilities, learned to appreciate and complement each other. The journey wasn't easy, but the challenges strengthened their bonds.
Felix, the mischievous fox, soon realized the importance of cooperation. He witnessed the joy and success that came from working together. Slowly, his mischievous ways transformed into acts of kindness and helpfulness.
Oakley shared. Lily, captivated by the tale, asked, "Did they find the heart of harmony?" Oakley, with a gentle breeze, Oakley continued.
After overcoming many trials, the animals reached a clearing where a radiant tree stood. The heart of harmony was not a physical object but a symbol of the unity they had achieved. The magic was within their newfound understanding and respect for one another.
The story resonated deeply with Lily, who pondered its meaning. She thanked Oakley for the wonderful tale and decided to share its wisdom with her friends back in Harmonyville. Back in town, Lily gathered her friends and retold the story of the animals' journey to find the heart of harmony. Inspired by the tale, the children decided to create their own heart of harmony by working together on a community project. As they collaborated and embraced each other's strengths, Harmonyville transformed into an even more vibrant and joyful place. The heart of harmony became a symbol engraved in the hearts of the townspeople, reminding them of the value of unity and cooperation. And so, the enchanting tale of Lily and the heart of harmony became a cherished story passed down through generations, teaching children the timeless lesson of working together to create a harmonious world.